Given an array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Okay, there is also example, if there is a duplicate it's returning true, and if there is no duplicate it's returning false. So there could be multiple way to solve this. We can sort this array and compare this with the neighbor and determine that if there is any duplicate, or we can do something better. We can use hash map or Python dictionary and track the element if it appeared before. Okay, let's jump into coding. I have defined a dictionary here. Okay, here I'm coming to this part later. Let's think of this fast that we are adding everything into the dictionary, like nums I is equal to true. This means if we loop over the array, we will add all the elements as true in the dictionary, and later on we'll check if it's already exists, we will return true, or after end of the loop we can return false, that there is no duplicate. Let's run this one. Okay, and let's submit it. Okay, it's accepted.